Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science students. In today's topic, I will be teaching some of the problematic question from Unit 9, which is data and computer network. I read out the question. A network with a bandwidth of 10 megabits per second can pass only an average of 12,000 frames per minute, with each frame carrying an average of 10,000 bits. What is the throughput of network? Okay, before solving this problem, I want to explain what is the concept behind this question. There is a carrier, so which is nothing but a medium. The speed can achieve with the help of this medium is 10 megabits per second. Okay, which means 10 megabits it can transmit per second. Okay, now what are the information provided in this particular question is number of frame, which mean 12,000 frames per minutes it transmitting. Before going to substitute this value in formula, you want to know how many number of frames it transmitting per second, because it given us minutes. Okay, which mean 12,000 divided by 60 per second is number of frame. Then what is the frame size that you want to substitute again? That is 10,000 bits, which mean each frame size is 10,000 bits. Now we know the formula for throughput of any network is number of frame per second into size of frame. Okay, number of frame per second is 12,000 divided by 60 into size of frame is 10,000. So we will be getting 2 into 10 power 6 bits per second. 10 power 6 is nothing but mega, so it is 2 megabits per second. That is the answer. I'll be discussing another question of same kind. A device is sending out data at rate of 2000 bits per second. How long does it take to send a file of 1 lakh characters? Okay, so again here the formula to find out time is data divided by bit rate. Okay, so here what happen is 1 lakh data characters into each character size. Usually character size is 8 bit, so 1 lakh into 8 divided by 2000, which will be we are getting as 400 seconds. Okay, thank you for watching.